Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to recover deleted photos in Samsung Secure Folder. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you have some photos deleted on your Samsung Secure Folder and now you want to recover it, then this is what you need to do. Go ahead and open the Secure Folder on your Samsung phone. You can open the Secure Folder via the application or via the control center. Then locate Gallery, click on it. If you have no photos here, it is either you do not have any photo on the secure folder or you have just deleted them. Now, to access deleted photos in your secure folder, click on menu at the bottom right. Locate and click on trash. And here, you should have access to all the photos you deleted on your secure folder. And in this case, you have 30 days recovery phase. So, to recover deleted photos in your secure folder, select the photo you want to recover and click on restore. Then you can see image restore. Repeat this on all the photos you want to recover on the secure folder. However, if you have multiple photos deleted and now you want to recover all the photos, all you need to do is click on select at top right and then click on all where you say select items. Now go ahead and click on restore all. Now this is going to move all the photos back to your secure folder. Now to now recover the secure folder back to your gallery, all you need to do is click on the three dots at top right, click on select and then select all. Then click on more option at the bottom right and then select move out of secure folder. Hang on, this is going to move all the photos or videos you have in your secure folder back to your gallery. Now if you go ahead and open your gallery, then you're probably going to see your photos in your gallery like this. So that's exactly how to recover deleted photos on Samsung Secure Folder. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.